Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Kelly, and if you're new, welcome. Hello. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscription box down below and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more quick curls with Kel's vids. If you're not familiar with what this is a series on my channel where I break down very simple, basic curly hair, like fundamental things, very quick videos. If you guys want me to go more in depth on them, I will, but this is just all based on my experience, what I have witnessed during my journey, so I'm just sharing them with you on what I have noticed. So if you guys have any other comments to add about what I talk about, feel free to just blow up my comment section down below. So in this video, we're gonna break down the difference between conditioners and leave-in conditioner. What's the big difference? In my conditioners, I always look for a product that promotes moisture. So when it comes to regular conditioners, I know this is a time, usually it's when you just cleansed your hair, you either shampooed, use a co-wash, and now you want to condition it, right? We're gonna always rinse out our conditioners in the shower, maybe leave them on for about 3 minutes. This is a moment that you want to detangle your hair. Make sure that you're always gonna get the ends of your hair, because for a regular conditioner, when you're putting it in your hair, this is just to go on the surface level of your hair, so it's gonna be very heavy, and it's just like a quick moisture detangler. Usually regular conditioners, it's a cream-based product and has a lot of water in it. I recommend, but sometimes, I mean, it depends on your hair. Sometimes your hair works with sulfates, sometimes it doesn't. One of my favorite one of my favorite conditioners in the shower is actually 3 Minute Miracle from Aussie. Yes, it does have silicones in it, however, it just works so good. I also find that it's hard to find a good conditioner with like a lot of slip. Like, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for great slip for a conditioner. But bottom line, conditioners are good for reconstructing your hair. So whether your hair is super dry, needs moisture, needs strength, right? That's what your conditioner is gonna do. So going into leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners, you leave in your hair, right? So we're not just leaving it in for 3 minutes. Once when we get out the shower, that's usually the base. So you're gonna put on a leave-in conditioner and then you're gonna build from that. Some people put oils in their hair first. I personally put leave-in conditioners first. One of my favorite leave-in conditioners that I would recommend, curly girl friendly, safe, it's all good. It's the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Restoring Growth. I think that's what it's called. So that is by far, it works so good in my hair, has so much slip and moisture. What you're gonna notice with leave-in conditioners is that it's much, you're gonna notice that it's much lighter, so it's not as heavy as a regular conditioner. Also, conditioners, this one is a cream that I just talked about, but leave-in conditioners can also come in a spray form, depending upon your hair, how much it may need. You know, if you have like thinner hair, you could just spritz it on. For me, that don't work, but they make them. Now, since a leave-in, it's used for all day use. You know, you can go with leave-in conditioners, you go days with having them in your hair. It really doesn't matter. It's gonna help lock in that moisture into your hair. It's also usually a great detangler. So again, moisture, 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 that's what we want, right? We want that hydration, so it's great for detangling. It's also gonna help eliminate frizz, which is great, and it's known as a styler. That's what it's known for. I know people who leave in regular conditioners in their hair, they kind of use it as a deep conditioner, but that's a whole nother video. But yeah, leave-in conditioners, they're usually like a lotion, so it's like it's a cream, but it's like a lotion consistency. And so yeah, like, that's pretty much it. It's very simple. I hope this video was very quick. Thank you so much for watching this quick curls with Kel's vid. Make sure that you subscribe again down below, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.